In this video, I'm going to share how to make more money online faster and how you can make up to $800 today. That's right, $800. And that's even if you've never done anything online before, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I don't work a real job. I make my money online. I've been doing it full time for more than 20 years now. And I do it for more than just the money. See, it has created tremendous time freedom for me and my wife too. I'm able to do the things I really want to do when I want to do them. I sail most days in the summer and I ski most days in the winter while I'm making money. What I do online only takes a few hours a week. So if making up to $800 today sounds good to you, here's what you'll want to do. Team up with me in my #1 recommended income stream. I'm building a one-of-a-kind affiliate marketing opportunity. I've never seen anything like it before in all my years online. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000, and the company pays us an industry-leading 80% commissions, 80%, and that's how you can make as much as $800 on a single sale today. This business is really different. Most affiliate marketing opportunities pay out small, one-time commissions of only a few percent. Check out Amazon, for example. But we get paid 80%, and it's even better than that. We also get paid passive or recurring income too on 3 of the products. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. That's right, you can still get paid months from now for what you do today without any extra effort. And here's how you can do all of this. When you team up with us, you will get your own high-converting online marketing system. Lead capture pages, sales pages, and emails to send out. It will be just like the marketing system that I use, but yours will be personalized to brand and promote you. All of the techie stuff is done for you. You will not have to create anything. And this system automates your business. That's how you can do this in just a few hours a week. And since it's all done online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if that's in the middle of the night. And you can do this from almost anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. This business comes with excellent training and support. Almost anyone can do this. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos, including our unique Quick Start strategy, which helps many new people make money their very first day. We hold daily, live interactive conference calls on Zoom, led by industry leaders, where we teach all things marketing. And it's everything from free traffic and lead generation methods to converting more sales. And these Zoom calls are recorded if you can't be there live. Plus, we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Our online community is unlike any other. You will love the team atmosphere here. And then probably the best thing to help ensure your success at making more money online faster, I will mentor you personally. You'll never wonder about what to do next. See, success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Think about what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. Again, your previous experience does not matter. So to learn more about how to make more money online faster and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.